Hey, welcome. Have you always been bothered about background noise during an online meeting or conference call? In today's video, I will show you an artificial intelligence application that you can use to remove unwanted noise in your background in real time during an online meeting or an online conference call. This tool works with communication apps like Zoom, Skype, Slack, Google Meet, Hangout, and other 800 applications. If you work from home, you never have to worry about baby crying, your dog barking, or even noise from the street during your online meeting. Okay guys, if you're excited to know about this new AI tool that I'm about to share with you, then keep watching this video. Okay guys, so welcome back. Please do like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for similar solution. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish valuable video content and I also review some awesome tutorial every Thursday and you don't want to miss that. So subscribe now and also turn on the bell notification. Okay guys, so let's get started with today's video. Now let me give a breakdown of how this application works. This application works with basically call application apps that you can use, and they give you access to modify the audio settings. So apps like Zoom, as I've said in the intro, Zoom, Slack, Skype, and other applications like that. So let's just go straight to the point. This is what I'll tell you to do when you are done watching this tutorial. Just go try it out. It is very easy. Do you get it now? So go try it out after watching this tutorial, and trust me, you will be really amazed. I've never seen any application like this. So go try it out and trust me, you will love it. So how do you get started? Now the name of the application that I'll be using is Krisp. Yeah, the name is Krisp. So this is what you do. Just visit adelekesami.com/Krisp, KRISP. Visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen and you'll be taken to this page. Just, you can see there is no credit card required, nothing. You can enter your email address, then you sign up. After signing up, you'll be required to download the software. So this works on Mac and also works on Windows. So just download the software and install it. Very easy to install. The sign up process is also easy. I've actually registered, so there is no point in me registering again. Can you see, when you register with this link, you get free you can try Krisp for free for 1 month. They actually have the free plan, so don't be scared with free for 1 month. They have the free plan and the premium plan, so you can decide not to upgrade to the premium plan if you so wish. So let's get started. So after the installation and all of that, so let me now show you how Krisp work. Now here is the thing guys, I will not be able to do a real test on this call. You know why? The reason is because, you know, I publish quality videos only, so I make sure I filter out and remove all of the background noise after recording my video. You get it now? So there is no way I would get this background noise into the video because I've already filtered out all background noise. So this is what I will advise you do. Once you are done watching this tutorial, just go try it out. Before I created this tutorial, I have tried it across different applications like Zoom, my screen recording app, and trust me, it works just fine. Like, I have never seen any app, any artificial intelligence app that works like this. You see it working in real time. So just go try it out immediately you are done watching this tutorial. Okay guys, so enough said. Now once you are done with the installation of the application, now if you are using Mac, you will likely see what's it called, you'll see the icon at the top of your menu bar. If you are using Windows OS, I don't know, you should also see an icon. Yeah, you should see an icon around this area depending on the OS you are seeing. Trust me, you'll be able to get it. So once you have done that, you can click on this OS, then you see these settings. Now before I show you the whole setup, let me show you what these scripts can do, some other things it can do. Now you will see there are two faces, microphone and speaker. So this application, it works in a way that you can use it to block out or remove noises that is going into your microphone. Let's assume you're on a Zoom call. You can decide to remove the background noises around you while you are talking, and you can as well use it to remove noise from people, from other participants in the meeting. So let's assume you are in a meeting and you have other participants, but probably they have background noises. You can use this app to also filter out the background noise, so you don't really need to start telling them please mute your microphone. You know the way it is, mute your microphone and all of that. So you can actually, it is a two-way application. You can remove the background noise from going into your microphone, or remove the background noise coming out of your system. Can you see? So basically that is how it works. Do you get it now? Now let me show you one more thing. Now you see this start recording. Now you can, this is actually a new feature. I think it is still in the beta phase, the beta stage. So what this means is you can record the audio version of your meeting. So let's assume you are in a Zoom meeting or something, you can decide to record the audio version. So this is actually a new and cool feature on Zoom. So you just record the audio version, then you can have it saved somewhere. So you have a limit of 1 gig. That is if you are using the free plan. So you can actually check out their payment packages if you wish to upgrade, but there is no need. You can try it out. Can you see? So you'll be given 240 minutes for free. That is how many minutes. You can calculate it. So how many hours rather. So just check it out. So it renews after certain period of days. So guys, this is really cool. You can as well use this for videos. Can you see? I don't know why it is showing me this. So you can use some virtual background in your video, probably during Zoom call and all of that. Okay guys, I think I have showed you some of these things that I need to know. Now let's get into the setup. Okay guys, so here's the thing. I said earlier in the intro of this video that before you can use scripts, it should be an application that allows calls, and an application that allow you to modify the audio settings. So because you need to modify the audio settings first, then you come down here. Trust me, it is easy. Now I will use Zoom as an example, since we are all familiar with Zoom, right? So you just come to Zoom. Okay, I have my Zoom open here. So you come to Zoom, or go to any application you are using, go to the settings, just try locate the settings. You get it now? Go locate the settings, then get the audio settings. Do you get it now? Now from the audio settings, you see speaker and microphone. So you want to make sure you have selected krisp speaker, and also the test microphone or the microphone. Make sure you have selected what? Krisp microphone. So while you are on the call, or while you are on Zoom during a meeting, if your baby is crying, everything will just work fine, perfectly fine. Nobody will know your baby is crying. The what's it called? The application is artificial intelligence, right? So it will remove those noises for you without doing any other settings. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have selected krisp speaker and krisp microphone. Now if you have selected those two, the next thing you want to do is now go to this krisp bar. Then you will see these two other options. Make sure you have it selected depending on the one you want to use. You can use built-in microphone. If you do not have any microphone, external microphone, I actually have one at the moment. So when you are done, you want to toggle on these settings. Can you see? You toggle them on, and it shows that you are now using krisp. So whatever you are doing now, you are using krisp microphone and krisp what's it called, Krisp speaker. So this works just fine. Trust me, I have tested it with about 3 apps. I tested with Zoom, I tested it with this screen recording app that I'm currently using, and it works just fine. So guys, you can see that it is already reading that I have this minutes left and all of that. So let me just turn it off since I'm not using it at the moment. So guys, that is just it. Please do well to check out this tutorial. Don't just know about it, go try it out right now. So this same app setting works for other applications as well. If you use any application at all, just go to the settings, locate the audio settings. Some might not have the audio section, just locate the settings, then you'll be able to select your microphone and speaker, and that is it. So don't forget, make sure you toggle on the microphone, the Krisp microphone here after even the setting up at the audio section. Toggle it on and you can start using and enjoying Krisp for your online meeting. So guys, I want to make sure this video is not long, just a very short tutorial, and I want to believe you have gotten value. Okay, so before I go guys, next week Friday, which is November 12th, I think next week Friday, November 12th, I'll be hosting a 9-figures e-commerce business owner and a digital marketer. He's also an advertiser. I'll be hosting him on this same channel, and we'll talk about Facebook ad scaling, e-commerce business management, and all of that. Trust me, you will love this webinar. It's more or less like a webinar. You will love this webinar. So just put this on your calendar right now. November 12th, I'll be having a live webinar on my YouTube channel, and trust me guys, this will be awesome. I'll be making a post about this, but you can pin this down by 9 p.m. You get it now? 9 p.m. we'll be doing this. Okay guys, so I think we are done with this tutorial. Please, if you do got value from this tutorial, do well to like this video, comment on this video, and share with your friends. Okay guys, this will be the end of our tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.